Here's how to change your app icons in Windows 10 or 11 using custom images. First, have your custom image saved on your computer, ideally in square format for best results. Open your browser, go to the address bar, and type PNG to ICO, then press Enter. Click the top website result, click Select File, and choose your image. Set both the width and height to 100 in the toolbar next to ICO, then click Convert. Once converted, download the new ICO file to your Downloads folder. Go to your desktop and right-click the application you want to change the icon for. Select Properties, then Shortcut, then click Change Icon. Click Browse and locate the ICO file you just created. Select it, click OK, then Apply and OK again. Your desktop icon will update immediately. If you also want the taskbar icon to update, remove the app from your taskbar first. Then recreate the shortcut by right-clicking the updated desktop icon and selecting Pin to Taskbar. The new custom icon will now appear there too. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.